Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel rksoftacademy. Who have been watching my tutorial videos in my rksoftacademy channel, they already know that I provide training basically on the video tutorials on different Oracle and Unix technologies. So I got one question from Siddharth. You can see here. After watching this video, top 15 interview tips in Oracle actually. So after watching this video, Siddhartha commented that he has actually asked a question, why we have to gather stats in Oracle. Okay, so I'm going to make this video for with this question. We will try to understand this question, the answer of this question. Okay, we are going to find out the answer of this question. So today's topic is why we have to gather stats in Oracle, as Siddhartha asked after watching my video. Okay, that is top 15 interview tips. So okay, who have been watching my tutorial channel rksoftacademy, they already know which kind of videos I provide, and I already have uploaded many videos on starting from very SQL fundamentals, basic Oracle fundamentals, SQL fundamentals, DBMS fundamentals, and starting from very basic to the advanced level. Also also provided many videos on advanced and basic PL/SQL programming, as you see in my screen. So you can just watch my videos, and also if you like the video, you just give a like and hit the notification bell to subscribe my channel, so that once I upload the video you get the notification and you get benefited of that. Okay, I have started actually one series of question and answer, interview question and answer, and in this series I have already uploaded 5 videos, yes, 6 videos, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, 6 videos I already uploaded in this series. So who are actually watching new my tutorial channel, for them let me introduce myself. I'm a senior Oracle consultant, and also I am a technical and corporate trainer, and also I am a interviewer. Okay, so I have been working with many MNC IT MNCs. I have worked with for many IT MNC companies during last 17 years. So I am sharing my skills and expertise, and whatever I have experiences through the videos of different topics on Oracle, different technologies and modules through my YouTube tutorial channel rksoftacademy, so that I am so that all the students or all the job seekers or all the candidates who are basically learn to Oracle, and who are actually seeking the job in the Oracle platform or database platform, and also who are going to switch the job from one company to another company on the Oracle platform. So they can just watch my videos and get the benefit of this video. They must know in detail whatever the topic I have discussed, because I love to share my experiences, and I would love to discuss everything in detail with the proper description and examples and hands-on practicals. Okay, so today's I am just starting my session. So today I'll discuss about why we have to gather stats in Oracle. Okay, so stats mean here statistics. Okay, so who actually know basics of Oracle, like SQL and basics of Oracle database. They can just catch the thing, and who actually already knew and just started learning this Oracle different technology like SQL, PLSQL, like this. They have to watch my other videos. There are various videos. As I already told you, you just watch my previous videos to gather some knowledge on that various topics, and then you can watch this video to move it forward to learn more about the advanced topics. Okay, this is basically a advanced topics, and this is also for a this is a tutorial for also the performance tuning, Oracle performance tuning. This is a advanced topics. Basically, database administration have the responsibility for performance tuning. Okay, so now I'll explain you why we need the statistics in Oracle. Okay, so here statistics mean the table statistics. Okay, basically we mean that as table statistics. Why we need the table statistics? We want to gather table statistics in Oracle. Let's say we have a table. Just I'll open my SQL prompt. But before that, I just discuss about the statistics. What is the statistics and how? What is the statistics? Because statistics basically whenever you are going to update or delete or delete or insert records in a table which has a huge number of data. Okay, so basically Oracle execute a SQL statement in different steps. Okay, so who don't know the steps, I have a video for that. I already make a video for that. That is yes, this one, select query processing in the Oracle. So you get to know about how a select query processed inside the Oracle in different stages, and this is the detailed discussion about that. Just you watch this from the start to the end, and you will definitely understand. You will get the detailed understanding about the process, how a select statement is executed and processed inside the Oracle database. Okay, and before that you can also watch architecture, internal architecture of the Oracle database. Okay, now I'll come to the yes, whatever I was discussing about the statistics. So Oracle basically whenever execute a SQL statement, it basically it basically choose the explain plan. Okay, so on the basis of explain plan, it actually executes the particular SQL statement. Okay, so this explain plan generated chosen by the Oracle optimizer. Okay, so which means there are various execution plan or explain plan is generated by the Oracle optimizer. So this also depends on the Oracle optimizer and which explain plan it will choose to execute the statement, and which has the minimum cost. Okay, so Oracle generates basically more than one explain plan, and it execute the SQL statement which has the minimum cost of that within that. Okay, so actually Oracle tables statistics helps the optimizer to mm, actually Oracle gather statistics helps the optimizer to choose the explain plan, best explain plan. Okay, so I repeat, Oracle statistics or table statistics helps the optimizer to choose the best execution plan to execute a SQL statement. Okay, I think you understand, right? So I'll now one explain plan. So it if choose one explain plan which has the minimum cost, it will execute in that way, and it will show the different steps of that execution plan. Okay, so now I'll go to my command prompt, and I have a table here. This table name is gross domestic product 1. Okay, so here if we just describe this table, so there are series reference. It's a just a dummy table I prepared for product information. So product so it is period, data value, unit, product unit, magnitude, subject, and serial series title 1, and status. If I just see the data here, select star from, you see there are a lot of records. So I'm just dropping it here. Okay, so how many records are here? I can count. Select count star from table. Okay, so this has total 56,382 records. Okay, so if I show some record structure, so select star from the table name or row num. See, this is the record structure. Series reference is like this: period, data value, and then unit, magnitude, and subject, serial title 1, and finally the status column. What I want to focus on, that the status column. Okay, see, the status column has only two values, one is final and one is revised. So that's why I am just grouping the records on the status column. So I am writing here select status count star from my table name, group by status. Okay, so see here, final with final status there are 56,182 records, and in revised status there are 200 records. Okay, So just we have this total of records and different with different type of status. Okay, so now what I will do is, I just reverse the status. Okay, so before that I want to there is a index on status. Okay, I have created one index on status column. So what I will do is, I'll drop the index. Okay, and then I will recreate the index. Okay, so drop index. I have given index name as like this. So this index is created on the status column, so index is dropped. So I'll recreate the index. Okay, so I am recreating this index on the status column. Okay, so index created. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll gather the statistics. Okay, so how I will gather the statistics for this table? I'll gather the statistics using the Oracle default package that is called dbms stat. Okay, and with a procedure gather table stats. Okay, so I'll use dbms package and procedure to gather the statistics. Okay, so I'll execute that. dbms stats dot gather table stats. So in between we have to give two parameters here. First one is the schema name. My schema name is x user. Okay, and my table name is this one. So I have to give here in parameter schema name and table name. Okay, so now I am gathering the statistics. So this is successfully completed, this procedure. So now what I will do is, I will do the explain plan of the query. Okay, so I'll query on the count which are revised. Okay, which are final which are in the status final. Okay, so these are the I'll on this this total count of 56,182. Okay, so now I'll make a query. I'll make the explain plan. So explain plan for select star from table name where status equal to final. Okay, so it is showing explain. That means already explain plan generated, and we know that once explain plan generated, we can see it by like this. If you don't know, you just go to the my I already uploaded one video for that explain plan. Yes, this one. You can just go into it and watch this complete video to understand the explain plan and how we can display the result of explain plan. Okay, so now I'll show the explain plan. I'll see. So select star from table dbms explain dot display. Okay, so it is showing full table scan. As you see, table access full, the explain plan that this table is access row by row, that is the full table scan. So, and rows is this, and cost is this. Cost is here it is showing to 64 bytes. Sorry, not bytes, it's the size is bytes, and cost is 264. And the time, whatever the time it is executed, this statement, this is showing here. And only it has two steps. Okay, so in explain plan you can just refer to the, I already show that video, you just watch this, you will get a detail how you can read the explain plan and what are the meaning of different columns. Okay, though I have already stated here. So here I can see it's accessing the full table. Now what I will do is I will update, I will interchange the status. Okay, so now if I interchange the status, okay, so I'll do some updates on the table with the for the status. Okay, so I'll make a update statement, update table name, set status equal to new, where status equal to final. Okay, so this much of record updated. Okay, now I'll make a commit here. Now I will see whatever the output. Yes, it is changed to new. So now I'll make the status of here final. Okay, so I'll make the update statement again. Just I will state here final revised. Okay, so I'll making this status changed to the final. Okay, yes, it is changed. Now I make a commit. Okay, now I'll see. Now what I'll do is in the new status I'll make the revised. Okay, so I'll make any I will make another update statement. So I'll make here revised where status equal to new. Okay, it has 56,000 rows, so it took some time. Now I'll make a commit. Okay, So before that, the explain so I just interchange the status. Okay, first one was final, which has 56,000 records something, and revised status is 200. It was the initial status records, and I make it like uh, okay. So I'll see what is the new count per status. See here, just interchange. Final is 200 and revised is 56,000. Here the final was 56,000 something, and revised was 200. Okay, just I interchange the status. Now what I'll do is, and initially I can whenever I make the execution plan, I can see it is has done the full table scan, though it is showing the total number of records which are in revised. Okay, which are in final. I have made the status as final. Okay, so now I have interchanged the status. Right now what I'll do is, I'll make the again the explain plan. Okay, so I'll make an explain plan for my new updated table. So I'll make just copy from here the same statement I'm making. Just here, explain plan for select star from this table, star is final. The same query I am running again, and it is explained. So I'll see the result of the explain plan. So see here also full table scan is it is taking the execution plan for full table scan, but it was expected not full table scan, right? Because I was right now and see here rows is showing 56,000, but I have created the explain plan on the status final, which was around 200 records only, but it is catching the previous execution plan, right? If you see, it is catching exactly the previous execution plan, where my final status, for final status, the record count was 56,000. It was 56,000, it was okay, but I have interchanged that the status. Now the final status record count is 200, but it is showing still the previous execution plan. Okay, so here is the requirement of the gathering table statistics. Okay, I hope you understand the cause, right? Because I have not I have changed, I have make some updated, I have updated 3 times the table, but when after the update I'll making the explain plan, it is showing the exactly previous explain plan. Okay, before the update of the records. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll do right now, I'll again gather the statistics. Okay, so now I'll gather again the statistics. So here the command is this one. Okay, I'll make the table statistics again. Yes, it is already completed. So if I just make the execution plan, I have already gathered my statistics, present statistics after update statement fired. All the update I after my all the update happened on the table. I gathered the statistics, and right now I'm going to make the explain plan for the table at status equal to final. Okay, the same for the same status, right? This was the previous explain plan after updating, and right now I just update the table stats. Okay, now I am making the explain plan, so it is explained. Now I'll see the whatever the result for the explain plan. See here, explain plan is different, and it is taking the exactly whatever the final status has the record. So this final status has the record around 200, so it is around the same. And also it is taking it is using the index range scan, not the full table scan. Okay, but on the same thing, whenever I after updating but not gather the statistics, whenever I just display the explain plan, I can see it is taking the wrong records. It was making the explain plan on the wrong data. Okay, and also it was not taking the index on the account. Okay, so it is making the full table scan. Okay, and this explain plan was not the correct. Okay, so now after that, when I gathered the statistics and table statistics, after gathering the table statistics, if I make the explain plan, and it is taking the correct value for the status number of records, around 200, and also it is using the index range scan, which which was expected here. Okay, and also this index is used for index range scan. And see here, cost is minimized. Before that, its cost is too high. Here cost is very much minimized. So this is the very helpful, and I think you have understand what is the why we need to gather the stable statistics. So that's why for any bulk DML operations like insert, update, or delete, whenever we have to do bulk insert operation, we have to, then after that we have to gather the stable statistics, so that the optimizer can take the best execution plan, which is and to execute the SQL statement properly, and to result back to the user, proper result back to the user. Okay, so this was the requirement, and this is the requirement for gathering table statistics in Oracle. Okay, I hope, Siddhartho, you have understand well as I explained. So just tell me if you have any doubt in the comment section, or you understand well as you have asked this question. So I just made this video for you, and also for other viewers also. If you you learn these things, new things, and if you like this video, and if you get some knowledge from my video, you just like my video, and also hit the notification bell for and subscribe my channel, so that I can make more videos, and it will inspire me to make more videos. And also comment below comment below how you like my video. Okay, And that's all for this tutorial session, and I am waiting for your comment, how much you are liking my video and how are you are getting benefited from my video. Okay, just and also you can share with your friends and colleagues the my YouTube link, my YouTube channel link, so that they can also get to learn various Oracle topics for SQL, PL, SQL programming, Unix programming, also database designing, architecture, database architecture, and DBA fundamentals things. All this concept and hands-on practicals also I have explained in many for each and every videos. So just share this video to your friends and colleagues, so that they can also learn from my video and get the benefit of it. Okay, so if it is useful for if today's video is useful for you and you like this video, you just give a like and subscribe my channel, and I'll make another video I'll for you. And just comment below if you understand well this today's topic, whichever I have discussed and shown in the practical. Okay, just comment. Your comment is very valuable. It will help me to improve my video. Okay, just okay, I'm just closing today's session, and thank you very much for watching my video. Just give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.